hope that all of you are doing great. Well, this video we are going to talk about what are we up to. The Bitcoin has fallen like anything. It keeps on falling more than anything else. The altcoin keeps on taking the beating. What is going to happen in the future? We are going to look into this with the DXY chart and its relation with the past, how it is related with the bull run. And in fact, let me tell you guys, we guys are gearing up for a massive bull run to come, and I'm going to show you with the charts of the DXY indicator from the past, the 2017 bull run, the 2020 bull run, March bull run, all had the same pattern. Right now that is loading up. It is not going to happen instantly. It's not that within a day it is going to happen. That is why this is a weekly chart that is open in front of you guys, and it may take week, it may take weeks, it may take month, it may take several months, but we are gearing up. We are already in the oversold territory. Now let me show you guys. Basically, this DXY indicator is the dollar indicator, which is having certain value. And from the past, if we look upon, whenever the dollar index keeps on getting high, this simply means people are actually flocking upon to the dollar because they feel this is the best asset or the safest asset at this point of time. That means people are selling their things and getting into the dollar. That is why the dollar is getting stronger and stronger. Last time it reached this particular height, 103 approximately, as we can see. What was the time? March of 2020. As you can see, the date is given below, March of 2023. It reached 100 and peaked. And what happened in March of 2020? If you remember, the big crash happened within the Bitcoin, the mega crash, as we all know of, from $6,000 eventually fell down to 50% down, even after falling down further. What happened after that? After that, the dollar started reversing, and the massive bull run, the most insane bull run of Bitcoin's lifetime happened after 2020. And this is what happens, the dollar starts getting weaker and weaker because people put their dollar into the assets, and that is why within the stock market, within the cryptos, and that is how as you can see, what time did it peak? Let us try to see that. It went over there January, and then further it went a little up, approximately May, right? Now I'm going to show you it bottomed out over here. Let us just try to compare it with the Bitcoin. What happened within the March of 2020? As you can see, this big dip happened up till $3,000, right? And after that, what happened? The mega massive bull run occurred for the Bitcoin. And when did this big fall came? In the May of 2021. Are you able to see the correlation? In the May of 2021, it actually bottomed out approximately, and then from there the reversal happened. And when the reversal happens, what happens? The price starts consolidating, everything falls down because the sell-off has happened. Even at the time when further Bitcoin went up, the dollar index did not fell further, fell much. At this point, as you can see, it went little up, but right now, as you can see, it has almost peaked out to the March highs. And let me tell you guys, this is not just a coincidence of March. It even happened before. When did it happen? Let me just show you guys. It happened in, okay, let me just close it. 2016 December. It peaked at 103.6, right? And then after that, what happened? The massive bull run in the history of Bitcoin happened. When did it top out? Bottomed out approximately December to January 2018. Let us try to see what happened to the Bitcoin at that time. If you guys remember, all right. So if you try to see January of 2016, the mega bull run. 2017, the mega bull run happened, where the blow off top happened for the Bitcoin. We are talking about from $1,000 to $20,000 approximately it reached. When did it bottom out? In December approximately. And right now, what is happening? Let us try to see. It is sitting at $38,000, $39,000, $37,000. These are the ranges it is revolving around. And what about the dollar index? It has almost reached at the same height, 103 approximately. So just imagine, and the RSI is also in the overbought area. So here we are expecting the reversal. Is it going to happen right away the next day? Probably not. Can Bitcoin further fall down? Definitely yes. There can be mega crash, but it is already in the oversold zone. This is what it shows us within the dollar index. So anytime, like this is a weekly chart, like if you try to open the monthly chart as well, the same scenario, same statistics it shows. Let me just open the monthly chart. So as you can see over here 2017 and then March of 2020, and here right now it is again. So here we are talking about probably a potential reversal that might happen. It may go further up as well. It may stay here for a little while as well, but we are in the oversold zone. So that means we are already overstretched, oversold, and we are preparing for the massive bull run. Now this is backed by some of the other indicators as well. This one is the clear proof I've shown of you, all of you guys. Let me just show you like the other times also this happened. The biggest like 120 it reached in .com bubble. If you remember 2002, 2001, it is very much known, right? So it might go even further up. That was like a massive depression as we know of .com bubble, where like the big mega crash happened. But anyways, this is the latest 4, 5, 6 years history, and the same pattern is being repeated. We are in the oversold zone, and like it's a monthly chart. Probably we are talking a month, 2 months, probably even 3 months from here. But this is a good news that we are preparing for the massive bull run. Now the other indicators which are showing, which are seeing the same thing, a lot of good things happening within the Bitcoin field. Like countries are adopting to it. Apart from the El Salvador making it legal tender, all the countries in the world are making regulations about the Bitcoin. Earlier it was considered as a scam. Probably it won't recover anyways. Fidelity has actually offered, let me just show you, within to its investors this Bitcoin option within its 401k. So just imagine the Fidelity, this is the latest news, will soon offer Bitcoin as an option in 401k. This is kind of a massive news, guys. Like this is the biggest, one of the biggest institutions out there in the world. It is offering to its client. We are talking about billions of dollars coming into the Bitcoin and the crypto space. Then we have Grayscale consistently talking about the ETF. And obviously they got rejected by SEC several times. But they are consistently, as you can see, this is the latest news, makes fresh push for the SEC approval for the spot ETF. The moment spot ETF is approved, that means billions and billions of dollars are going to flock into Bitcoin. Then there is another big news that is going to come up. Again, guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please ensure that you hit the subscribe button, because this channel will be everything about how do we grow your finances. That's what the goal of the channel is, to provide financial freedom to all our subscribers. Again, guys, the last but not the least, there are many other reasons, but again, one more reason, the Ethereum merge is going to happen. That means earlier it was scheduled to happen in June, but right now it is scheduled to happen in Q3. What this merge is going to do, it is going to change the concept of mining Ethereum from proof of work to proof of stakes. That means eventually what is going to happen, 90% reduction in the new ETH being launched or mined. That means ETH becomes deflationary. That is going to make the price rise massive, and a lot of billionaires are preparing for this. And the moment that happens, like the big institutions are also going to come and jump into the space. That is also a trigger for the big bull run. So all the parameters, if you see at a bigger level, if you see at a macro level, can you have a crash at this point of time further? Definitely yes. Can you reach $30,000, $29,000? Definitely yes. They can be massive wick down for the liquidation and stuff. But are we in the oversold zone? Is the future bright? Definitely yes. And this is one of the biggest indicator. The dollar, everyone is loaded up on the dollar. It is in the overbought zone. The stocks, the Nasdaq, the SPX 500, everything is falling like crazy. Tesla fell like within a single day 12%. That definitely it is going to affect the crypto market as well. But when from here we are talking about the dollar reversal, we are going to see the massive bull run. So you need to be watching for this macro indicator. The future is bright, and that is what I wanted my audience to know. Again, guys, I hope that you find the video helpful. Smash the like button if you did, and comment down below for what do you think when the bull run is going to start. What do you think where the price is going to crash to? I would like to see what is your opinion on that. And again, I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Bye bye.